Good morning, students. Today we will start the matrices, that is the part third. What we will do today, we will do construct matrix when A equal to matrix Aij is given. Operations we will do A plus B and A minus B. Uh, Look here, we have to construct a matrix of order 2 into 2 where A is given to you Aij. So first you will form a general 2 into 2 matrix. General 2 into 2 matrix is A equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22. How we can find A11? A11 we can find by putting the value of I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. You calculate, you will get the value. Similarly, how we can find A12? A12 also we can find by putting I equal to 1, and j equal to 2 you put, and you will calculate, you will get your answer. Similarly, A21 you can put. A21 how we can put? A21 we can put by putting I equal to 2 and j equal to 1 and calculate, you will get the answer 8. Similarly, you have to find the value of A22. A22 how we can put? Look here, I equal to 2 and j equal to 2 you will put and calculate, you will get your answer. Look here, and whatever you get the this A11, A12, A21 and A22 you will put here, you will get your answer. So hope you understand this all. Similarly, you do one more questions. Find 2 into 2 matrix if Aij is given I plus j whole square upon 2 and Aij equal to I upon j. Similarly, look at these two answers you get, and similarly one more two questions you have to do. There is you have to find the 3 into 4 matrix where Aij is given to you. Aij equal to 1 upon 2 modulus minus 3i plus j, and here modulus means in the root in the bracket whatever you get positive or negative, you have to make it positive. Second question is Aij equal to 2i minus j. You will solve, you will get these answers. Now third question is if 4 3 x 5 is equal to y z 1 5 are equal matrix, and you have to find the value of x y z. How we can find? Look here, x equal to 4 equal to y, 3 equal to z, x equal to 1 and 5 equal to 5. Now similarly these two x equal x plus y equal to 6 and y 5 plus this is equal to 5, x plus x y equal to 8. This you will solve, you will get this. Actually here you get a quadration you solve, you will get your answer. Here look here, y plus z equal to 7, x plus z equal to 5 and x plus y plus z equal to 9. And here you will put the value, look here, in x plus y plus z equal to 9 you put y plus z equal to 7, you get value of x. Similarly in the first x plus y plus z equal to 9 you put x plus z equal to 5, you will get value of y. So similarly you get all this value. Now look here, one more question here, 6 question number 6 here, a minus b you will put equal to minus 1 and 2a minus b equal to 0. From here you find the value of a and b, and then you will put here 2a plus c equal to 5 and 3c plus d equal to 13. Here you put the value of a and you will get value of c, and then in the last equation you put the value of c, you will get value of d. Similarly look here, one more question is here, this question 2a plus b equal to 4 and 2a minus a minus 2b equal to minus 3 and 5c minus d equal to 11, 4c plus 3d equal to 24. So these equations you have to solve. How we can solve? Look here, first these two equations you get, now these two equations you will solve, you will get value of a and b. Then remaining 5c minus d and 4c plus 3d you will solve, you will get these two values. So this type you can solve the questions. Look here, you have to, now we will do the operations. What operations? First we do the addition of the matrices. How we can add the matrices, that we will understand today. Now how, when we can add, first condition is the sum of matrices is defined if the matrices are of the same order, otherwise cannot find the sum. Means if the sum is given, you have to find the sum, and only when you can find the sum when the order should equal. Second, how we can find the addition? It is obtained by the adding the corresponding elements of the given matrix. You have to add the corresponding elements. How we will add the corresponding element, you can understand by these. Look here, these two are a and b is given to you, and you have to find a plus b, means you will add 2 and minus 8, 3 minus 3 and 9, 1 and 7, minus 5 and 8, 6 and minus 4, 4 and 2 you will add, and the result you get. So this type you can add these matrices. Look here, you are given to you this question, and you have to find the sum of these two matrices. Look here, first, what is the order of the first matrix? Order of first matrix is 2 into 2. What is the order of the second matrix? 2 into 3. Since the order are not equal, so we cannot find the sum. Now some properties you can check. Here in this property you can check. First property is a plus b and b plus a are equal, means it is a commutative. Similarly, this a plus b bracket plus c equal to a plus bracket b plus c, means the associative. Here a plus g o equal to o plus a equal to a, where o is a zero matrix, means if you add a zero matrix to any matrix, you will get the result is the same matrix. A plus b equal to 0 and b plus a equal to 0, means if you add two matrix and you get a zero matrix, means the second matrix is the additive inverse of first matrix. Now you have to find the difference. How we can find the difference? Look here, for the difference a plus a minus b you have to find, that you will write a plus bracket minus b. And how we can find minus b? Minus by b we will find by multiplying every element by minus 1. If we multiply by minus 1 every elements, as look here, you can understand this example. In this example you can see your a is given to you, b is given to you, you have to find a minus b. A minus b means a plus minus b, means a is given to you, and minus b how we find? All the elements of b you multiply by minus, you will get this minus b, and then you will add simple, you will get your answer. Look here, this type the solutions you will get here. This is the solution. Now look here, in this question you can check what is given to you. A and b is given to you, and you have to find the matrix C. How matrix C, how we can? Look here, in condition given a plus b plus c equal to O. O means a zero matrix, means first you find the sum of a and b, and that a and b you will transfer to right hand side, means O minus a c equal to 0, means O minus bracket a plus b you will do, then you will get your answer.